Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Anu Mom's Magic. Today I will show you the flowering plant of big oranges. It looks beautiful, it shows the beauty of nature. You can see how the nature made everything beautiful. If you like the nature and its beauty and love from nature, then also like my video and also subscribe if you are new on my channel for getting more updates for my video. You can see the birds of flower. You can see the flower. In next video I will also show you the fruits of this plant, how the fruits look. You will also have to save the plants, trees and enjoy the nature's beauty. Enjoy your day and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.